Later. No dance. Do the Macarena. The Macarena. What is that?
I can do Macarena.
Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna stop it now, Jomar. Come here now.
Come there, Buckle boy. Buckle boy.
Are you tired yet?
How come everybody's going to Vegas?
I'm going to Vegas.
My friend's going to Vegas. Uncle Alex is moving to Vegas.
By himself?
Yeah. Someone else?
I
My
get
friends are going to Vegas. My family is in Vegas.
I'm going there with PJ.
Sweet way.
Look at like dancing live with the heart. Before my grandma, she went to Las Vegas. They always go there.
It's too hot though.
Hell yeah.
I'm not going.
Okay, now you bow down. Green, black, and blue make the colors in the sky. Are you tired yet?
Buckle boy.
Yay!